Hello. Today, let us understand the topic of promotion, transfer, and separation and performance appraisal. Out of which the first topic is promotion. Promotion refers to the advancement of an employee to a job with a higher authority and responsibility. Transfer moves an individual employee from one position to another position. Separation refers to termination of employment. The employee is separated from his job. So these are the definitions of promotion, transfer and separation. Out of which the first topic is promotion. Promotion can be also be viewed as a means of filling up vacancies in the organization occurring from time to time. Promotion is one of the recruitment tool for the organization. See, it is one of the internal source of recruitment for the organization. In the same way, transfer. So if the organization want to recruit the candidates, so one of the recruitment method which is cost effective for the organization is transfer. So transforming the employees from one place to another place is also one of the recruitment method for the organization. And separation. So separation is nothing but it is termination of employment. The employee is terminated from his job. Employee separation constitutes the final stage in the staffing process of an organization. An employee can leave the organization for any reason which he deems fit for seeking separation. However, separation is classified basically into two ways or two types. These are voluntary separation and involuntary separation. Separation arises due to resignation, layoff, dismissal, and retirement. So these are the causes of or reasons of separation. Now, coming to the next topic, that is Hoffman's appraisal. So you can see the definition on the slide. Performance appraisal is the process of measuring and evaluating the performance or accomplishments including individual behavior of an employee on the job front for a given period. Performance appraisal, also referred to as a performance review, performance evaluation, development discussion, or employee appraisal, is a method by which the job performance of an employee is documented and evaluated. Performance appraisals are a part of career development and consist of regular reviews of employee performance within organization. Annual performance reviews have been criticized as providing feedback too frequently to be useful, and some critics argue performance reviews in general do more harm than good. But actually, so it is mandatory for the organization to conduct a thorough performance appraisal. So because once you join in the organization, so once the training activity is done, once the right kind of candidate is placed on the right kind of job, and so once the performance standards are assigned or the project or the work is assigned to the individuals or employees, so it is mandatory for the manager to evaluate or monitor the performance of the employees on a daily basis. So performance appraisal is very useful. So in order to give or in order to increase the salaries of the employees, and in order to train the employees. If the employee's performance is not satisfactory or not up to the mark, then accordingly the manager has to train the employees in order to improve the productivity of the organization. If the performance of the employees is satisfactory or excellent, accordingly the manager has to reward the employees in order to increase the morale of the employees and in order to retain the employees for longer period of time in the organization. Now coming to different methods of performance appraisals. So some of the performance appraisal methods are management by objectives. So management by objectives is the appraisal method where managers and employees together identify, plan, organize and communicate objectives to focus on during a specific appraisal method. And the next method of performance appraisal is 360-degree appraisal. So 360-degree feedback is multi-dimensional performance appraisal method that evaluate an employee using feedback collected from the employee's circle of influence, namely, so which you can see on the slide, managers, peers, customers, and direct reports. This method will not only eliminate bias in performance reviews, but also offer a clear understanding of an individual competence. And the next method is assessment center method. The concept of assessment center method was introduced way back in 1930 by the German army, but it has been polished and tailored to fit today's environment. The assessment center method enables employees to get a clear picture of how others observe them and the impact it has on their performance. And the next method is BARS, behaviorally ensured rating scales. So behaviorally ensured rating scales bring out both the qualitative and quantitative benefits in a performance appraisal process. BARS compares employees' performance with specific behavior examples that are ensured to numerical ratings. And the next method is psychological appraisals. Psychological appraisals come in handy to determine the hidden potential of employees. So this method mainly focuses on analyzing an employee's future performance rather than the past work. These appraisals are used to analyze 7 major components of an employee performance, such as interpersonal skills, cognitive abilities, intellectual traits, leadership skills, personality traits, emotional quotient, and other related skills. And the next method is human resource accounting method. Human resource accounting method analyzes an employee's performance through the monetary benefits he or she yields to the company. So it is obtained by comparing the cost of retaining an employee cost to company, that is CTC, and the monetary benefits, contributions an organization has to ascertain from the specific employee. So that is human resources accounting methods. So as I said, so these are some of the methods so which the companies will be adopting according to their requirements. So in order to appraise the performance of the employees. So which performance appraisal is one of the most important function of human resources management.